มื้อนี้กินมีมาม่าเด้อมื้อนี้บ่มีหยังกินคิดบ่ออกอยากกินหยังต้มไก่ให้ผัวก็เลยเอาน้ำต้มไก่กับตอนมันมากินกับมาม่าก่อนมื้อนี้คิดอยากบ่คิดว่าอยากหยังก็เลยจัดมาม่าไปใส่ผักกาดมาม่าใส่ผักกาดแล้วก็ใส่หน่อไม้ฝรั่งผัก asparagus ภาษาอังกฤษว่าผัก asparagus แบบหน่อไม้ฝรั่งหั่นนะเขาเจ้าเอิ้นกันหน่อไม้ฝรั่งมื้อนี้อยากกินมาม่ามีไข่น้ำเด้อมีไข่มันต้มไก่เอาสีดมันมากินกับมาม่าไก่หยาบนะต้มไก่หยาบนะพี่น้องมันคิดอยากมาม่ามัน
Ask you something.
What?
I heard Jason talk.
It's okay. Say hi to my friend.
Hi.
Okay. Goodbye.
Hey.
Mommy's eating. Don't interrupt, please.
I'm watching. I'm watching you.
Yeah, you can watch me later. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye-bye, please.
Bye, please.
Bye.
Bye.
Go away.
I am gone.
Okay.
I'm gone now.
มากรอแหละนะลูกชายหน่อยมากรอแหละ
I touched it up, puppy.
Okay, go play with your toy, please. Remember, Mommy said she don't want any noise. Các อยากกินยังมื้อนี้บ่ฮู้ว่าสิอยากกินข้าวกับหยังลังมือก็คิดบ่อยากข้าวลังมือก็กินข้าวแซ่บๆพอดีแซ่บสำนี้มาต้มพุกลายบ่แซ่บสำนี้พอดีกรอบๆพอดีให้กินมาม่าพูดบ่อยากซ้ำโอ้โหวิดีโอยังถ่ายอยู่Hi.
Hi.
Come eat dinner with me. Come eat dinner with me and Dylan.
I made fried rice.
Eating fried rice.
Uh-huh.
That's fried rice. Okay, sit down. This is the extra rice.
Extra extra rice.
Yeah, extra rice.
That's not fair. I want extra rice. I
in
like
case
it.
somebody need rice.
What? Okay, so let me put it in.
Remember, you're supposed to eat, not talk a lot. Eat your food. This is bitter stuff that I eat for my diabetes.
Diabetes. Diabetes.
So bitter.
Diabetes.
Oh.
Diabetes. Diabetes.
Wow, because that is so bitter.
Party.
This is so bitter. I cannot handle this.
Elevator.
Where's the
Party.
tissue? I'm gonna spit it out.
Party.
It is too
Party. Party in the elevator.
This is so bitter. Forget that. Oh. It's too bitter. Can't handle that. I'm eating my stuffed pepper. Lao stuffed pepper, you guys. I got glass noodle in there and pork.
My water's not cold enough. Nah, I don't want it. I'm not cold enough.
Your water is blocking. You want some hot sauce? You want some pepper sauce?
No, no, I don't like it.
It's called gel.
Gel? That's
A lot of people call it gel.
No.
You
You mean jailbreak?
Pepper sauce called gel.
Oh. Gel? Gel? You mean the city?
No. That sauce mommy made is called gel.
Oh, you're talking about the gel.
Loud food, boy.
You know gel is at a police station.
No,
You know, not
gel.
Presidents.
This is called gel. It's a loud.
No, that's ketchup. I see you ketchup.
Loud hot sauce.
But
eat
I
it
look
with
for
rice.
ketchup.
It's called gel. Listen up, boy. Listen up. My stuffed pepper is good. This homemade fried rice. Saba. You know what sabo mean in Laos?
Those so tasty, Mom. This is cooking this.
Sabo mean, is it good? Sap mean good. Sap tastes
Thank you
delicious.
for cooking this, Mommy. Thank you for cooking this fried rice. It's like so good. I can eat this fried rice all day long.
Okay. Okay. Go drink your water. You're done. It's my stuffed pepper. Ooh, it's losing up. My stuffed pepper. Okay, you guys. I see y'all next time. Thanks you for watching.
Mommy.
Goodbye, Dylan.
Mommy.
Say goodbye, please.
That does not look like.
Dylan, I asked you to say goodbye to your
Goodbye.
friend. Bye-bye, friend. See you next clip with Dylan and Mommy sometime. Bye-bye. Have a good night. God bless you all.
No.
Jesus bless you guys.
No.
Bye-bye.
No.